Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, and it is March 28th. And this is my analysis for the US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel linked at the end of the video in the corner. And also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, to gain access to all the benefits listed below and more. So the euro dollar yesterday did make a pretty decent move up, and we did get a break of structure on this 1 hour time frame. I don't really think that's a significantly break of structure, but it is definitely enough to where I would think that this would now most likely be a wave A, and this would most likely be a wave B. So I have my Fibonacci retracement on this move up. I'm watching these Fibonacci levels for the end of a wave B, and then I would expect to see another push up to maybe one of these higher Fibonacci levels, which really it could be any one of these three levels for a wave C. I still think the trend is down on the much higher time frames. I still think that we are probably in a proper ABC correction now. Probably going to end up looking something like this, maybe down to like the 50% or even the 61%. So I do think we are in a correction. I do think the trend will continue up, but I think it's likely going to be several weeks before we really have to concern ourselves with the big long opportunity that we are potentially waiting for. So I would expect to see an ABC next, probably an ABC of B, or possibly maybe an ABC of 2. Either way, a wave B and a wave 2 is traded exactly the same. So for me, definitely doesn't matter whether we're looking at a wave 2 or whether we're looking at a wave B. So anyways, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you and happy trading.